Hey fourth graders, it's Mr. Jenkins. I'll tell you what, it's really kind of late. I think it's, going on 10 o'clock, but I couldn't not make this video for you. You're probably thinking, where is he tonight? Yep, I'm in the bathroom. Yep. So that is what's going on. I wanted to talk to you all tonight about moving forward with our place value. And building upon what we've done so far, ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. And I've already made a place value chart, and you can see some extra spaces over here. I'm going to tell you about that in just a second. So let's review what we've learned so far. So we knew, I'll just scoot over here just a little bit, that when we have 1, 1, and we multiply it by 10, so 1 times 10, we get 10. So that tells us that 10 times as many as 1 is 10. And we can draw that. I'll just come down underneath it and might make my dots. So we had our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? And we can bundle them. And 110 can be expressed in what larger unit? It says 110. Okay? Now I'm going to skip ahead all the way. We don't need to go through the tens and the hundreds. You all have done that. Let's move to the thousands. Okay? So let's think about what is 10 times as many as 1,000. Okay? So that could be expressed as, I'll just bring this down a little bit. I'm in my thousands place. 10 times 1,000. Okay, so I'm wanting to think, what is 10 times as many as 1,000? Well, I've already got 1. I'm just going to go ahead and draw 10 times that. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I know that when I have 10 of any unit in the place value chart, I can bundle that and group it and move it to the next place. Now, the next place after thousands is 10,000s. Raise your hand if you knew that. Yeah, I bet a lot of you did. So 10,000 is my next place. I'm going to turn the board so that I can write fairly neatly. So my next place is 10,000. So 10 times 1,000, these 10 can be moved over to make 1 10,000. Just like that. Alright? Let's move on. So what it could be 10 times as many as 10,000. Alright, we're going way high here. Okay, we're going to keep going. So 10 times 10,000. I'm going to do the very same thing I've done all along. Make a group of 10 with my 10,000s. So I've already got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I know that when I have 10 of any unit, I can bundle it and move it up to the next largest place value. Alright, what's after 10,000s? Turn and talk to your neighbor for 5 seconds. What do you think is next after 10,000s? Alright, come back together now. If you said 100,000, you would be correct. So 100,000 is the next largest place value on the chart. So 100,000s. So 10 10,000s is the same thing as 100,000. Alright? So 100,000 is 10 times as many as 10,000. Okay? Just multiplying by 10 again. You can do the very same thing one more time with the 100,000s place. So what would be 10 times as many as 100,000? Got to add another 0 on here. And by the way, I bet you're noticing the pattern. So we know that 1,000 has 3 zeros, 10,000 has 4 zeros, and 100,000 has 5 zeros. So I bet you can guess what's going to happen in our next place value. So 10 times 100,000, I already have 1, 10 times as many. Here we go one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to bundle my 10 100,000s. So 10 times as many as 100,000. Move to my next place value. It's actually 1 million. We have made it to the millions place. Alright, so 1 million, these are the millions, is 10 times as many as 100,000. So it takes 10 100,000s to make 1 million. Alright? Now, we could keep going and keep going and keep going. We really could. This is as far as we're going to go in 4th grade. We go up to the millions place, but we could keep going on and on, okay, to the 10 millions, the 100 millions, okay, and so on and so forth. And you can explore those numbers even on your own at home if you want to. Alright, I'm going to let your teachers take over. They're going to show you a couple more things before you're set out to work today. Good night, everybody.